Dear friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Gaur Bharat Kumar, working as assistant professor in the department of CSE. In today's session, we will discuss about different types of functional dependencies. Coming to the different types of functional dependencies, here we have two different types of functional dependencies are there. One is trivial functional dependency, another one is non-trivial functional dependency. Actually, the functional dependency is one type of dependency in DBMS. So the other dependencies are multi-value dependency, fully functional dependency, partial dependency. In the previous sessions we are covered what is the meaning of multi-valued, how to identify the multi-valued dependencies, fully functional dependencies and partial functional dependencies. In today's session we will concentrate on the different types of functional dependencies. First one is the trivial functional dependency. What is the meaning of trivial functional dependency? Suppose we will consider one functional dependency, that is A implies B. Suppose we will say that if A implies B is the trivial functional dependency, if B is a subset of A, then only we will say that that functional dependency is the trivial functional dependency. The other forms of trivial functional dependencies are either A implies A, B implies B. That means left hand side, right hand side, same relations are there. Then that is also trivial functional dependencies. Okay, so coming to the example, here I will consider two fields: employee ID, employee name. Here employee IDs are 1 and 2, employee names are Bharat and Kumar. Okay, so now we will see what is the meaning of trivial functional dependency. Okay, suppose here first, in this first example we will consider employee ID comma employee name implies employee ID. Okay, so here please observe the left hand side and right hand side. In the right hand side employee ID is available, so this is a subset of left hand side. Okay, then simply we say that this is the trivial functional dependency. In the another example I will consider employee ID implies employee ID. Okay, that means the right hand side is available in the left hand side, so no problem, this is also a trivial functional dependency. In the third example, employee name implies employee name, left hand side and right hand side same, so this is also a trivial functional dependency. Okay, so the right hand side is available in the left hand side, or left hand side and right hand side is same, then that is the trivial functional dependency. So another otherwise, okay, if A implies B, B is a subset of A, then that is the trivial, otherwise that is non-trivial functional dependency. Here please observe, in the first example I will consider ID implies name. Okay, here left hand side is different, right hand side is different. Here the right hand side is not the subset of the left hand side, so simply this is the non-trivial functional dependency. Here another example, name implies date of birth. Okay, the right hand side is not available in the left hand side, so this is also non-trivial functional dependency. Now we will see what are the advantages of functional dependency. Actually the functional dependency avoids the data redundancy. Okay, so that's why different types of dependencies are used in that at the time of normalization also. Okay, so the main advantage of functional dependency is the data redundancy. Therefore same data do not repeat at multiple locations in the database. That is the advantage of DBMS. Okay, so it is also helpful to maintain the quality of the data. Okay, definitely we will maintain the quality, that is one is a major concern in the DBMS also. Okay, so another advantage is it helps to you the defined meanings and constraints of the databases. It helps you to identify bad designs. It helps you to find the facts regarding the database design. Okay, those are the different advantages of functional dependencies. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.